Starting your journey in the Norwegian language is an exciting adventure, and today, we'll explore daily greetings and essential phrases perfect for social interactions and everyday situations. Learning to say hello in Norwegian is straightforward, with hey being the basic form. For instance, if you want to greet Oliva, you simply say hey Oliva. Similarly, to greet Maria or Katja, you would say hey Maria and hey Katja respectively. It's simple yet meaningful, and definitely an excellent way to start any conversation. When you want to thank someone, it's just as easy. The word for thank you in Norwegian is takk. So if Mari does something nice for you, expressing your gratitude is as easy as saying takk Mari. Similarly, thank you Marius becomes takk Marius. These little phrases may be short, but they are very significant and show appreciation, fostering goodwill in any interaction. Daily encounters wouldn't be complete without saying hello to everyone around you. Imagine walking into a room and seeing Thomas. You would say, hey Thomas. The same rule applies to Anders and Lisa, where you would greet them with hey Anders and hey Lisa. Including everyone and acknowledging their presence creates a friendly and inclusive atmosphere, making your interactions more pleasant. Norwegian also comes in handy when you need to be polite or make requests. For example, if you're at a cafe and crave a coffee, you could say hey kaffe takk, which means hi coffee please. Should you desire both tea and coffee, you would ask for te og kaffe takk. These phrases efficiently convey your needs while maintaining a courteous tone. Understanding food-related terms is also vital in any language. The Norwegian word for bread is brød, which will undoubtedly come in handy during meals. If you prefer something different, such as coffee with milk, just say kaffe og melk. Knowing these key terms aids you in navigating menus and making your preferences known in a clear manner. For drinks, you're likely to find yourself in situations where you need to order both wine and water. In such cases, use the phrase vin og vann takk, which translates to wine and water please. If you prefer just tea, simply say to. Mastering these terms ensures you have pleasant dining experiences, whether at a cafe or during social gatherings. By practicing these basic greetings and essential phrases, you'll find that interacting in Norwegian becomes more intuitive and enjoyable. These foundational elements of the language open doors to better communication and deeper connections with native speakers. So embrace these expressions and confidently navigate through your daily interactions.